How much money could you actually save when you combine all your debt into one single payment per month? I want us to have a look at the figures, the numbers, and then see the actual dollar figure that you could save. My name is Henry Ike, your mortgage reduction specialist, the founder of Ike.Finance. Let's call this customer Mr. A. He has a mortgage with a balance of $350,000 and his interest rate is 5.1%. His monthly repayment is $1,932. Credit card number one has a credit limit of $8,000. His interest rate is 16% and his monthly repayment is $240. The second credit card has a limit of $7,000. The interest rate is 18% and his monthly repayment is $210. And then the car loan has a balance of $17,000. Interest rate is 9% and his monthly repayment is $353. All of this combined gives him a total monthly repayment of $2,735. I was able to combine this debt into one single payment per month on 5.1% interest rate, which gives him a monthly repayment of $2,074. So if you do the simple math, when you subtract $2,074 from $2,735, that gives him a surplus of $661 every month.